Here's how you can simply increase music time on Snapchat. So first up, open up Snapchat. Once you do that, the easiest way you can upload or increase music time on Snapchat is by simply taking a snap or a video. So first up, you can long press right over here, and then you can shoot like about 2 times or 3 times, depending on the length you want your song to be. So I'm just gonna like record about twice. And then it's going to take me this edit option, and I can then add the song I want to add over to my snap. I can simply click on the music icon and then select the song I want to add, and in this case I want to simply add this song. And as you can see, that song is going to play for the entire video shot. So the more I shoot the video, the longer the audio will play. So that's how I can simply increase music time on Snapchat. So if you found this video helpful or enjoyed it, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.